It's a 2018 GMC Yukon XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry even more in this Yukon XL. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, rear-wheel drive, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 754-220-2988.